What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. This one doesn't have to do with sneakers. This one has to do with hurricane flow. I live in North Carolina, so it's hit us pretty hard. These pictures and video I took probably about an hour ago, less than a mile from my house. These are restaurants, baseball fields, parks that are between 4 to 15 feet underwater. It's ridiculous. So for everybody out there, stay safe, and hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. That is crazy. And of course, they have to put that there just to make sure that nobody drives into it. It's absolutely crazy. This is the park right near my house. That bridge right there, from railing down to where you walk, is about 4 feet. So, and that's above water like normal. So this is, all this water is about 15 feet deep. And this is a park. Look at how that is flowing in right over there. This is crazy. And that bridge right there is where I showed you on the other side. You know how it's flooded on the other side. It's crazy. You can pretty much drive right down into it, take a kayak through that. This hurricane flow for you. It's a pretty good name for it, because this is literally never flooded. And this is about 10 or 15 feet of water, at least. Probably more. It's crazy. I'll take a picture of this and put it in another video when there's no water here. This is the parking lot looking up to where I was standing filming. You can see a little car up there. That just shows how much water filled this area. This is a shot right near there where that bridge is that you can see in the video. It was like 3 feet below that bridge. This is where I was standing basically to film down into where all that water was. And this was completely underwater. Like, you could barely see the roof tip. It was insane. And this, you can see, I'm zooming in on the bridge. You could barely see the top of the handrail where I was filming from. This is a baseball field. That fence is probably a good 10 feet, maybe, even taller. So this water is at least, God, I would say probably 10 feet, 8 to 10 feet. That's crazy. Look at that. This is right by the house too. I'm gonna get another shot from a different. This is further down from that last video. Look at that bathroom. That's where I was just at taking that other video. There's that fence for the baseball field. I'm gonna try to get up there and get another photo or video of the baseball field from over top, if it's not completely under. This is the baseball field. I'm walking out to it. There's that fence from the other side. Home plate. I mean, you guys know how big those fences are. Like, that's where the dugout usually is. Those fences are a good like 8 feet tall at least. So this water is at least 8 feet deep. Right over there is where I was just at. There's that bathroom. Need a kayak. So this is literally a lake or pond. No, this is a lake with no fish. This is the cheapest way to actually make a lake. Just, wait for it to flood and then bar up the side of it and trap the water in. Stuff's muddy too. It's crazy. I'm wearing sandals and my feet are soaked. This is one of the days that you do not wear good shoes. It's crazy. Alright, so these are just overhead shots of the baseball field. I've got 3D shots coming up, like from Google Earth. I couldn't find any pictures from land level of this. So you just got to deal with it. This is a screen recording of me messing with Google Earth. So I'll get down to 3D mode in just a second. You can see the baseball field. You can see that creek in the background that actually caused the flooding. You can see the hill. The reason why I did 3D was because that hill right there, you can see just how deep that water was. And I'm going to go around in just a second to where I took the other video from. Right here, you can actually see the little hut, the bathroom hut that was almost flooded. All this area was flooded. You can see across the street up in the corner is where the farmer's market was that I filmed at before, and across the street from that was the park. This baseball field was under like 8 to 10 feet of water. It was insane. Now this was mainly just to show what happened in my area. We're about 2.5 hours away from the coast. The coast really got tore up. I feel horrible for the people out there, but everybody's strong. So from the last thing I heard, not that many people passed away, and in my thoughts and prayers. I hope you guys are doing good now. Time for the rebuild. So I will catch y'all on the next one. Have a good one. Be safe. Peace.